Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change your Roblox account location and explain how it actually works. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and tap More at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down, open Settings, and then tap Account Info. Here, you'll be able to see the country or region currently linked to your Roblox account. Now, if you're trying to change it manually, you may have heard that using a VPN will do the trick. However, that's a common misconception. In most cases, connecting to a VPN does not change the location shown on your Roblox account. According to Roblox, your account location is detected and updated automatically. So, if you've recently moved to a different country, simply continue using your account as normal. After a few days, Roblox should automatically detect your new location and update it. If the location doesn't change immediately, don't worry, it can take some time for the update to appear. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.